Hello world, we got a big bad storm heading our way. We just got here and we got storms. Yay! Tornado warning and all. Winds blowing 67 miles per hour. That's what they say. Don't look like it right now, but that rain sort is coming sideways. I don't want to go up there. This is as high as I'm going. We should be in the basement. Move, Paris. Go. I'm gonna want to open the door.
Huh?
I just want to see how heavy the wind is blowing. It's like the rain just decided to just go.
It's not bad.
No, it's not. It's not real bad.
Not good anyway.
Yay! So wish us luck, folks.